In many markets, duck products are becoming more popular. Duck is eaten in many cuisines around the world. Duck meat is tasty and offers a good and healthy source of protein. It is a high-fat, high-protein meat rich in iron. Of course, ducks go through a process at the factory. In this video you will see the processing, shredding, and packaging of the duck. Thanks to technology, these things are very fast. Those who have eaten duck meat before can write in the comments. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video. We will see how a duck meat processing factory works from start to finish. In such factories, hygiene and durability come first. The ducks go through various cleaning and disinfection processes. I would like to briefly summarize the processes you will see in the video. These processes are stunning, feather removal, evisceration, cooling, deboning, and packaging. Ducks are stunned by guiding them through an electrical charged water bath. After shocking, a precise cut is applied. The scalding process largely determines the appearance, color, and visual quality of your end product. The agitator causes a downward water flow which keeps the ducks immersed for most effective scalding. The way a duck is plucked is crucial to its presentation. Accurate plucking is especially important if whole ducks or portions are to be sold fresh and skin on. Skin presentation on duck meat products should be perfect. Products should naturally be feather-free and there should be no skin damage either. The technology includes an efficient wax recycling system for all capacities. After scalding and plucking, products are conveyed suspended from shackles through a bath filled with wax. They are then dipped in a tank filled with cold water, where the wax solidifies. The wax removed is melted down and feather residues filtered out. Clean wax is then recycled for reuse at the correct temperature. Increasing global duck meat production is driving market growth. Duck meat production was 4.8 million tons between 2004 and 2020, according to Food and Agriculture Organization statistics. A wide range of equipment is available for various process steps in the evisceration department. The duck's internal organs are completely removed here. The viscera pack contains several valuable giblets. Feet are profitable products. An effective processing system can therefore be an interesting option. The system processes feet fully automatically up to peeling and chilling. Good portioning and slicing is about high speed, high precision performance. The range of machines also covers horizontal and template slicing of fillets. The manual deboning of ducks is optimized by streamlining the supply of products to each operator. End-of-line systems perform the final operations to complete the packing process and provide customer-specified presentation. Those who have eaten duck meat before, please write in the comments.